Ooh, that was a little sketch.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are here in the Super Formula Light series in Mexico City, and this is just a clip of a crazy start of a race. Me just overtaking a bunch of cars. Super awesome start. A bunch of overtakes here. And just follow me on all social media, That Guy Fate. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and repost. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Ooh, that was a little sketch. Getting through there. But we gained some positions.